tell us what the Speed Blaster is and how it can benefit our customers.
The Speed Blaster is a media blaster. So if you're looking to remove rust, paint, or anything from the frame of your car, or maybe even a tool, this is a great product. Portable, handheld. You hook your airline up in here. You feed your media into the hopper. This is the largest hopper in the industry. Got a nice ceramic nozzle. This is a long life ceramic nozzle. And you've got your control lever here. So this is controlling the flow of the media. Some common things that come up that you might want to be aware of. If you remove this when you're cleaning your gun, of course disconnect it from air when you're doing that. But if you notice inside there's a steel insert. If that comes out or gets removed, the gun won't function properly. So you always want to make sure that it's seated in there properly, and if it's missing, we have replacement parts that you can order to get it back to working condition. You'll get about a minute to a minute and a half of blasting time with this. It's a pretty good amount of time for small areas. For spot blasting, we have something specialized for that as well.
So you can use this for surface cleaning as well as material removal, depending on the media that you're using.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So if you're trying to remove paint or rust, you're going to want a very coarse media, like a coal slag or something along those lines. You know, if you're doing something for more finishing, you want a finer media, like a baking soda or
a talcum powder.
Something fine if you're just doing finishing work.
Okay.
Either of those will work in the gun just fine. I would just recommend that you clean it in between different medias. And then for little imperfections or areas where you're just trying to spot blast, this is our hot spot. So this is a Speed Blaster accessory. And what it does is it's a media reclamation tool. So you're gonna collect all your media, it's not gonna go all over your shop floor. You insert your ceramic nozzle into here nice and snug. And we've got a couple of different attachments for different size rust spots. You can see here you've got an inside corner, an outside corner, a small opening and a large opening. And what you're going to do is, let's say you're trying to just clean up this spot right here. You're going to want to put it firmly on there, engage the trigger. Your media is going to hit that little spot and come right back into the bag. And so it's a nice way if you need to do spot blasting inside your shop, you don't have to worry about making a mess on the floor or anything like that.
And I would have to say that these various tips are a game changer. Let's say like the edge of a hood.
Absolutely.
You know, you're going to start getting like surface removal, whereas you have an edge tool like that, you're going to get just that removal on the edge.
So let's say we throw that guy on there. Now you can catch it right on that corner. You can really isolate a spot that you're trying to blast, which is a nice little feature of this accessory.
And I would have to say one of the best features of this is what it says right on the side, proudly made in the USA.
That's right. We've been making this product for over 20 years, so I would say we're an innovator and a market leader in this category.